How to use Bank of America's secured credit card. Now, in order to maximize the credit building power of your credit card within Bank of America, you need to track your spending limits, as well as you could set a auto payment so that you do not miss any sort of payments that you need to make. So within the Bank of America application, first of all, make sure that you initialize the card setup. If you haven't already, you'll be able to set up your card from the menu on the top left, where you'll be able to see the option called manage debit or credit cards, where you'll be able to link set up your card. Once the card has been set up, as I said, there are a few things that you need to ensure so that your credit score builds up, such as you need to track your credit card utilization. So once you have linked your credit card, a credit card section would be separately visible on the bottom of the dashboard or the account section, and you'd be able to simply track your credit utilization, as well as you can set up the auto pay. So if you have a frequent or recurring payment to make every month or every week, you can set it up so that you do not miss it. Also, you'll be able to monitor your credit using the FICO score that is inbuilt within Bank of America as well. So this is the exact way on how you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.